Lord, now indeed I find Thy power and Thine alone can change believer's bones and melt the heart of stone. Jesus made it all. Oh, to Him my own. Sweet heaven and princess still, He was the white as snow. For nothing could have found whereby Thy grace to claim. All was my garments white in the blood